Playing Xbox Game Pass games on a Steam Deck requires installing Microsoft Edge in desktop mode, adding it to Steam as a non-Steam game, and configuring controller settings. This tutorial outlines the step-by-step process. Step 1. Switch to desktop mode. Press the Steam button to bring up the Steam menu. Select Power, then choose Desktop. The screen will switch from gaming mode to a desktop interface. Connecting a keyboard and mouse is helpful for smoother navigation, but the trackpad or touchscreen can also be used. Press A or R2 to left-click and L2 to right-click to type. Press Steam plus X to open the on-screen keyboard. Step 2. Install Microsoft Edge. Open the Discover Software Center from the taskbar at the bottom of the screen blue shopping bag icon. Click Applications. Then go to Internet and select Web Browsers. Scroll through the list until you find Microsoft Edge, then click Install. Wait for the installation to complete. Step 3. Add Microsoft Edge to Steam. Open the application launcher from the desktop. Select Internet to view Internet-related applications. Right-click Microsoft Edge and choose Add to Steam. A window will appear showing programs to add. Check the box next to Microsoft Edge and click Add Selected Programs at the bottom. This makes Microsoft Edge accessible directly from the Steam library. Step 4. Configure console access for controls. Open the application launcher again and go to System. Then select Console, a terminal window. Type the command to grant Microsoft Edge proper access to Steam Deck controls, then type Exit to close the terminal. This ensures the controller works correctly when playing games through Edge. Step 5. Rename the shortcut and apply controller layout. Open the Steam app from the desktop. Right-click Microsoft Edge in your library and click Properties. Change the name to Xbox Cloud Gaming for easier identification, then close the Properties window. Right-click Microsoft Edge again and go to Manage, then Controller Layout. Click Browse, select Gamepad with mouse and trackpad under Templates. This layout allows use of Steam Deck's built-in controls while navigating Microsoft Edge. Click Apply Configuration. Then Done to close the window. Step 6. Launch Xbox Game Pass. Open Microsoft Edge using the shortcut created in Steam. Log into Xbox Game Pass through the web browser. Full controller support will be available, providing access to all games in the Xbox Game Pass library. Conclusion: after completing these steps, the Steam Deck will have a dedicated shortcut for Xbox Cloud Gaming. Launching it provides controller support and access to the full Xbox Game Pass library through the browser, allowing games to be streamed directly to the device.